first we're going to load the video on the song. Now we're going to see where is the chorus of the song. In this case is here, in the minute 1, 2. We cut it after we cut the end of the song. Now we drag the video that we want to use to the timeline. Select the video and press the U key for separating the video and the audio, and just delete the audio. Here is the moment of the song where the video is gonna start dancing. Put a marker with the M key. Next step is notice when each beat sounds, and put a marker to each one. It's done. For having a different angle, we gotta go forward and cut it. We delete this. Do the same with the rest of the clips.
To me like you still making music, man. Ask them kind of questions, shouldn't even shake your hand. Thought you were the homie, still don't know me, it's so evident.
Notice how in each beat, the position of the gear changes. If you edit right the first clip, the rest of the clips are gonna be edited the same way that you edited the first one. Go here. In the first frame, you make a zoom. Make sure to have this option activated. Also, you can turn it a little bit. In the middle of the first clip, restore this. And here, in almost the end, we're gonna do another zoom and turn it. Put this in smooth, slow, and fast. Let's put a lighting effect. Go here, color correction. Drop it here. Check these two options and increase the brightness and the contrast. Also make sure to have this option activated. Now go to the end and set both values on 1. Slow, fast. We got it. So right click, copy and paste it in the rest of the clips. Like this.
What I mean to say is y'all ain't been about to dream. Even back in high school, y'all were really bad.
Let's put it a shaking effect. Shake. Put it in all the track. Here. Motion blur. For a better quality of video, let's put it color correction. To all the track. Increase the values. Just a little bit. Not too much. And it's done. You can let the video like this, but if you want to add some more effects, like an overlay, let's insert a new video track. And load the overlay. I'm gonna use this one. Let's put this here. Cut it, and then we go here, screen. If this option doesn't appear in your Sony Vegas, go here, edit visible button, and check the composition mode. And finally we got it. You don't have to know too much about how editing, so it's like a beginner's tutorial.